solve the quadratic equation. Let's see what are these. Number one step is first convert the equation into symbolic form, that is in the form of mathematical language. Second step is to solve the equation, and third, interpret the solution of given equation into the verbal language. So first of all, here see example number 1 in practice set 2.6. Number 1 is the product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. Here we have to find Pragati's present age. So consider first present age of Pragati. Let present age of Pragati equal to x years. Then see the product of Pragati's age 2 years ago. First of all, we have to find Pragati's age 2 years ago. Therefore, Pragati, her age 2 years ago was x minus 2 years. And her age 3 years hence, her age 3 years from now. Her age 3 years from now will be x plus 3. In this example, the condition is given that product of these two ages is 84. So by given condition, this x minus 2 x plus 3 equal to 84. We solve this equation. X into x, x square plus 3x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 84. Take all terms to the LHS, that is x square. 3x minus 2x plus x minus 6 minus 84 equal to 0. Therefore, equation is x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. Here, we frame the equation. Then second step is to solve the equation. Solve this equation by any method. Here I solve this equation by factorization method. Here coefficient is 1. 1 into minus 90 minus 90. Factors of this 90, their difference is 1. So minus 90, their factors such that their difference is 1. Factors of 90 is 10 and 9. Here sign of middle term is positive, so plus 10, and smaller factor is negative. I write directly the factors, that is x plus 10 in another bracket, x minus 9 equal to 0. And therefore this x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 9. There are two values of x, minus 10 and 9, but age cannot be negative. So value of x equal to minus 10 is not acceptable. Here minus age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. Therefore x not equal to minus 10. Therefore value of x is 9. So third step is interpret the solution of this quadratic equation into the verbal language. So here write the present age of Pragati. Present age of Pragati is X means 9 years. Then see the example number 2. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. First of all, see the numbers which are even natural number and consecutive even natural number. So, even natural numbers which are consecutive are x and x plus 2. First number is considered x, then consecutive number is x plus 2. So, let x and x plus 2 are consecutive natural number. Then see the condition is given, the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural number. Sum of squares of these two numbers, that is sum of x square plus x plus 2 bracket square, sum of these squares of these two natural numbers. So by given condition, square, second number is x plus 2 bracket square. Sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers is given 224. Let us solve this. X square plus square of this term, square of first term x square plus 2 into x, 2x into 2, that is 4x, plus square of second term, that is 4, equal to 224. Take all term to the LHS. X square 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 equal to 0. That is 2x square plus 4x minus 240 equal to 0. The dividing by 2, here 2x square plus 4x minus 240 equal to 0. Dividing by 2, we have x square plus 2x minus 120 equal to 0. Here dividing by 2. Then solve this quadratic equation. Factors of 120, their difference is 2. The factors are 12 and 10. So factors of 120, their difference is 2, 12 and 10. Sign of middle term is positive, so greater factor is positive. So coefficient is 1, so I write directly factors as x plus 12, x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 12 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 12 or x equal to 10. Two values of x, minus 12 and 10. But given that the numbers are even natural numbers, this x equal to minus 12, not natural number. So, minus 12 not natural number. Therefore, x not equal to minus 12. Therefore, value of x equal to 10. Therefore, find the numbers. We have to find both numbers. That is x plus 2 equal to 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Here The natural numbers are, consecutive natural numbers are 10 and 12. So write in the verbal language answer of this example. The consecutive even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Verify. Put the value of this in equation, that is in condition number 3. When flowchart is given, first listen the example. In orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there was 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that of each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of this flowchart. First see the flowchart. Number of trees in column is given x. The condition is given that number of trees in a row is 5 more than number of trees in a column. So number of trees in a row is 5 more than x, that is x plus 5. Then total number of trees from these two, number of trees in column, number of trees in row, the total number of trees equal to x into x plus 5. From this frame the equation. In the example given that there are 150 oranges tree. So equation is that x into x plus 5. This is total number of oranges tree, but given that 150. Solve this equation. X square plus 5x, take minus 50, left equal to 0. Then factors of minus 150, their difference is 5. The factors are 15 and 10. So factors are x plus 15, x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 15 equal to 0, x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 15 or x equal to 10. Observe here, number of trees x equal to minus 15 is not acceptable. So number of trees in a column x is equal to 10. Then similarly find number of trees in a row, that is x plus 5, that is 10 plus 5 equal to 15. By this way you can solve this example with the help of this flowchart. Then example number 4 and 5. You solve this example. There are some star questions in this practice set 2.6. Let us solve one by one, which are very important example in this practice set. Question number 6. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pot. He makes a certain number of pots on daily basis. The production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pot per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. Here we have to find the production cost of one pot and number of pot per day he makes per day. So let us consider that. Let he makes x pots per day. The production cost of each pot is 40 more than 10 times the total number of pot. The total number of pots x, 10 times, and 40 more than 10 times number of pot means 10x plus 40. So the cost of each pot is 10x plus 40 rupees. But another condition is given that the production cost of all pot per day is rupees 600. Number of pot x, cost of each pot is 10x plus 40. So this x plus x into 10x plus 40 equal to 600. Solve this. 10x square plus 40x minus 600 equal to 0. That is, divide by this equation 10, that is x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Then find the factors of 60. Their difference is 4. Factors of 60, their difference is 4. That is 10 and 6. Here plus 10 minus 6. Sign of middle term is positive. So greater factor 10 is positive. Then directly write down the factors, that is 10x plus 10 x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, this x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 6. Here x is the number of pot he makes per day, but number of pot cannot be negative. So x equal to minus 10 unacceptable. Number of pots cannot be negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 10. Therefore x equal to 6. This is the number of pot he makes per day. Then production cost of each pot. Production cost of each pot equal to 10x plus 40. That is 10 into 6 plus 40 equal to 60 plus 40. That is 100 rupees. Therefore, the production cost of one pot is 100 rupees and number of pot he makes per day is. Question number 7. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. Here, speed of boat is given in still water. So, speed of boat in still water km per hour. And we have to find the speed of water current. The speed of water current let the speed of water current equal to x km per hour. And here this x is less than 12. Speed of water current is always less than speed of boat in still water. Now, Pratik travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. First, the speed of boat downstream equal to x plus 12 or 12 plus x km per hour. He returned to the same place, means he traveled to the upstream. So speed of boat upstream equal to 12 minus x km per hour. And he take time 8 hours to travel this distance. So by given condition, we know that the speed equal to distance upon time, and therefore this time equal to distance divided by speed. So by given condition, Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36. First he travel downstream, means he take time. This is distance upon speed. Distance is 36 and speed, downstream speed is 12 plus x plus 36. Upstream speed is 12 minus x, and this total time taken by him is 8. Now we solve this equation. I solve this equation here. 36 upon 12 plus x plus 36 upon 12 minus x equal to 8. Therefore, this is 12 plus x, 12 minus x, take cross multiplication, 36, 12 minus x plus 36, 12 plus x equal to 8. Then 36 taken common, in bracket 12 minus x plus 12 plus x, and this is 8 into 12 plus x, 12 minus x. By solving this, 36 x get cancelled, this is 24 equal to 8. A plus b, a minus b. So square of first term, square of minus square of second term, that is in this bracket 12 square minus x square. We solve this, 36 into 24 divided by 8 equal to 144 minus x square. Therefore, this is 108 minus 144 equal to minus x square, and therefore this minus x square equal to minus 36, and therefore x square equal to 36, taking square root, x equal to plus or minus 6, means x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 6. X is the speed of water current, but here speed of water current is not negative. Speed is not negative. Speed is not negative. Therefore, x equal to minus 6 not acceptable. Therefore, x equal to 6. Therefore, the speed of water current is 6 km per hour. Try to solve the example number 8. Here, example number 9. If 460 is divided by a natural number, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, and the remainder is 1. Find the quotient and divisor. Here, let this divisor is x. The condition is that quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Therefore, quotient is 5x plus 6. We know that dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here, dividend is 460. Quotient is 5x plus 6, divisor is and remainder is 1. If we solve this, 460, 5x square plus 6x plus 1, that is 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 460, that is 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 equal to 0. That is 5x square plus 6x minus 459 equal to 0. Then we solve this equation by factorization method. find the product of this 5 into minus 459. Sorry, 459. Their difference is 6. Here 5 into minus 449 is written as 5 into here 9 into minus 51, and this 945 into minus 51. Observe the difference between 45 and 51 is 6. So factors of these are 45 and minus 51. Here the greater, here middle sign is plus, so greater factor is plus and this is minus. Therefore this 5x square minus 45x plus 51x minus 449 equal to 0. As earlier, take 5x common, therefore in bracket x minus 9. Here plus 51 is taken common, therefore in bracket x minus 9 equal to 0. X minus 9 and 5x plus 51 equal to 0. X minus 9 equal to 0 or 5x plus 51 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 9 or x equal to minus 51 by 5. There are two values of x, but x is the divisor and divisor is a natural number. This 460 is divided by a natural number, and this minus 51 by 5 is not natural. Natural number, therefore x is not equal to minus 51 by 5 and therefore x equal to 9. Here divisor is 9, therefore find the quotient. Quotient is 5x plus 6. 5 into 9 plus 6, that is 45 plus 6 equal to 51, and divisor is 6. It's activity based question. Figure is given. First I read the example. In adjoining figure, in the figure quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium such that AB parallel to DC. Its area is given 33 cm square. From the information in the figure, find the length of all sides of quadrilateral ABCD and fill the empty boxes to get the solution. Here answer is given. We have to fill these boxes and find the answers. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to CD. Quadrilateral area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to half. Here AB plus DC into dash dash. Formula for trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of non-parallel side into height. Here sum of non-parallel side AB and DC and given, and height is here AM. Next step, area is given. So here area is 33, 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 x. Value of AB and DC and value of AM is x minus 4. Therefore here next step, 1 by 2 is not here, means this 2 is multiplied by 33. So we have here 66 and this is x minus 4. Then next step, 3x square, means equation is in the quadratic form. So solve this equation in the rough page. That is 3x plus 1 x minus 4 equal to 66. 3x into x, that is 3x square, minus 12x plus x minus 4 minus 66 equal to 0. Therefore we have equation 3x square minus 11x minus 70 equal to 0. Then see in this step 3x square plus, there are two boxes, plus here minus 11x. So here plus sign, write in the box 11x. Minus sign is given here and here value, third term is 70. So write down only 70, not minus 70. Then next step, to fill this next step, solve equation roughly. Then factors of this 3 into 70. The difference is 11. Difference is 11. So factorize this. Multiplication is 210. Factors of 210, difference is 11, that is 21 and 10, that is minus 21 plus 10. These are the two factors. So 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 equal to 0. Here 3x taken common, we have x minus 7 plus 10 common, x minus 7 equal to 0. From this step here 3x and plus 10. So in the box here x minus 7 and here x minus 7. Therefore x minus 7, 3x plus 10 in one bracket, x minus 7 another bracket. That is, its value is 0 and x minus 7 is also 0. Then if we solve x equal to minus 10 by 3 and x minus 7 equal to 0, means x equal to 7. Here given but length is never negative, x not equal to minus 10 by 3, therefore x equal to 7. And you have to find the all sides of this quadrilateral ABCD from figure. AB is given here x, means value of AB is x means 7 centimeter. Value of CD, that is 2x plus 1, means 2 into 7 plus 1. 2 into 7, 14 plus 1, that is 15. In this trapezium, AD and BC are equal are given, and BC, value of BC is x minus 2, that is 7 minus 2 equal to 5 centimeter.